here's the move that was going on. First of all, I thought we were going up, right? Because it started to grab some strength. But then we did this. This was drop number 1. Notice what happens here. This is really important. First of all, this candle was formed. And the idea is that this candle needs to be filled out by other candles on this side, right? So you wait. You have to wait for that candle to get filled out, all right? So let me slow this down a little bit more, and let's go forward now. So here it is filling out. And notice there's not really any strength. And then here, boom, it starts to fall. That's wave 2. Now it bounces up, but it doesn't get past that candle. And then, bam. Bam. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's the thing. You see this bounce right over here? This is what everybody's trying to catch. They're trying to catch this bounce. Now, where this is going to bounce, well, if you had your chart marked out with, ranges and everything like that, you would have been able to see all of the levels that it broke through. And it happened so quick that you wouldn't have been able to catch anything. So I was waiting. When we had a big drop like this, first, I wait for this candle to fill out. Second, you get to analyze to see if it's going to go into a second wave, which it did. Boom. But this happened so fast, this move, that this was kind of the end of the day, that this was feeling weak already. And then we've got this right over here. Now, you could have shorted this. You could have shorted the top here. I mean, if you didn't, then, you're just like everybody else, right? If you did, good for you. You're eating tonight, right? So here's the thing. Take a look at what's happening right over here. A bounce up. That's the initial reaction. And now we're settling, right? But notice that we are here, here, and here. We're settling a little bit lower. Now, remember I mentioned just a moment ago about this candle filling out? Well, this candle should fill out too. So let's take a look at everything right now. Let's take a look at it all from this perspective.